Hey guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe.
Hey, it's Tiffany from Tubey Toys, and today I have a wonderful review for Mythical Slime, Mythical Putty, featuring the carefully harvested bodily fluids of unicorns. That's right, they're so ethical that they carefully harvest unicorn snot, unicorn tears, and unicorn sweat. These mythical slimes are really cool. They're bounceable, stretchable, breakable, and squishable. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Tubey Toys. And if you haven't already, please ring that notification bell. We're getting ever so much closer to our 10,000 subscriber milestone, and that will signify a huge giveaway with a whole bunch of different items, including slimes, toys that we love, and more. So don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. First, I have to thank Mythical Slime Company for sending us these amazing tins of putties. Also, they were kind enough to give our subscribers a wonderful link for 15% off their slimes.
To get 15% off, just click the link in the description below.
It's Tubey Toys.
Thank you so much again. Let's start with Unicorn Snot. And it is a beautiful green color. It is everything and more. It comes with, let's take it out of the tin. Look how stretchy that is. It's translucent slime putty with beautiful sparkles. And it looks sticky, but it's not sticky at all. And there's a lot to go around, so you could definitely split this up and share it with a friend. I love when it makes a little tiny bubbles and it makes that sound, like the crackling sound. Almost looks like a unicorn horn. Oh, you hear that crackle? This looks like a unicorn tail. I wonder why this unicorn had so much snot. Did it have a cold? Was it crying? Let me know in the comments below. Maybe it was crying and they harvested its snot, and they also harvested his tears while they were at it. And he was crying because he was sweating. I cry too when I sweat, especially this summer. It was super hot. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Let's see if we can bounce it. I'm gonna break a little bit off and make a ball. So pretty. It looks like a tiny little world of sparkly snot and stars. Let's give it a bounce. Oh, that was a fail. Let's split it up. There we go. Let's see who can bounce higher, the right or the left. Oh! I never thought I'd make snot balls. Unicorn snot balls, that is. Whoa! Let's get them all together and mush them up good, and let's see how stretchable they can go. It's so shimmery, it looks almost like spun gold. How pretty that is. Let's store our snot away, and let's move on to the unicorn tears. It's heat sensitive color. Let's take a look. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. I want to try to get out in one shot. I don't want any of it to break. Let's see what we can do here. Yes. This is super duper clear, and it has beautiful, like sparkly bits in it. Like little tiny foil pieces. And these are the unicorn's tears. This poor unicorn must have been crying so much. Maybe the unicorn's heart was broken. Who knows? Now we get to play with it. It's like ribbons. Oh my gosh. I like the way it rips apart too. And then little tiny crackle bubbles. Let's make little tiny balls and let's see how they bounce. Okay, I made 8 balls. Let's see if we can get them to bounce. No! I can't. Oh! They just fall. They look pretty when they fall though. Let's just mush them all together. This is so cool. Very hard to choose a favorite so far. Let's move on to the Unicorn Sweat. Let's put our tears away and let's move on to Unicorn Sweat. Ooh, it's pouring out. It's too excited. Let's see what we got here. Oh my goodness, I love the iridescent purple glitter in this one. It's like a galaxy. So cool. Here is the sweat of a unicorn in case you were wondering. Look how magical that looks. Oh my goodness. Oh, you hear those snaps? It's like when someone snaps their gum. It's like little pops in your mouth when you snap in your gum. Look how pretty that is. And the little tiny bubbles. My favorite. I love putty. Do you like putty or slime? These are definitely 2 different things. Have you ever made putty before? Let me know in the comments below. Well, here you have it, guys. Thank you so much, Mythical Slime Company, for sending over this ethically harvested mythical putty to play with. This was so cool, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell every time we post a new video or host a giveaway. You'll be the first one to get notified. Mythical Slime Company was kind enough to provide 15% off all purchases through their website. So just click that link in the description below, and that'll take you right there and you'll get your 15% off. Really super cool. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. I have to say the Unicorn Snot is my favorite. I love that hint of green and the little tiny foil stars. So super pretty. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and save the unicorns.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah.